Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today we are going to do a mystery IPSY bag. Stay tuned. So with IPSY we get the original bags and then quarterly we'll get the ultimate upgrade, which has really been fun. But they had a deal on a mystery bag. Occasionally you can get the mystery bags on sale, and this one was one that was on sale. I think it was $12 instead of normally they're $14. And I got an add-on. So I want to show you the add-on first because I've been dying to open it. This is the iced. This is full size. I want to say it was like $30 maybe not even. But we got a little one of it for a $3.50 add-on a few months ago, and I really like it. And they ran out of it, or I would have bought more of it, but they also ran out of this one, and I was able to get it. They had it back. So this is the Commodity Iced Scent Space Espresso. So this is their strongest. Well, there's one more. The little dots kind of tell you. They have different levels of intensity on the fragrance. I like it. It smells really good. It's a good fragrance for me for summer. It's a little bit spicy, a little bit sweet. I like it. But now, for the reason we're all here, the mystery bag. So they were actually able to get everything in the bag. So this is our bag. I actually already have this same bag, so I'm interested to see what's inside of it. So this is a very cute bag. You can still get it, and it has a little IPSY pull, and we should have several travel sizes, maybe some full-size ones in here. This one is kind of big. Oh, we have a card to tell us what's in here. So this is from the Unwrapped Joy. I believe this was Christmas, based on the pictures. And this is our first product, and this is the Catherine Malandrino, Catherine Malandrino, and this is the Mystery de Catherine perfume. So this one, this is the travel size for, well, the 100 ml size is $110, and this is a 10 ml size, so this is $10-ish worth. And it says it has cranberry orange, a splash of apricot that bloom into deep rose, peony, and violet. And it rounds out with a warm dry down of creamy caramel, rich tonka musk, and cedarwood for a cozy finish. So this was again a winter one. So let's see what it smells like. Let me squirt it and see. Oh, that is nice. I think that's not just a winter fragrance. I could wear that anytime. With all the fruity scents, it's nice. It's not just a wintry fragrance. So this is a good one to have, even though this is technically a Christmas bag. And oh, and the bag has got peppermint stripes inside. How cute. All right, next we have a Fenty Beauty Hella Thick Mascara. And this is the travel size. The full size is $19. So we have a little mini Fenty. I'm not going to open it because it will dry out, and if I leave it closed, it'll keep me till I'm ready to use it. Next we have a Strictly Curls Flex Gel. I do not have curly hair, but I think it says $10, but honestly, I'm having trouble reading this today. The print is very small in these little cards, but we got a little curl Mark Anthony Curl Gel, which I have a lot of friends with curly hair, so I should have no trouble finding a home for it. And we have a Nina Body Lotion, and this one is the full size of this would be $40 for 100 ml, and this is Nina Skincare Glacial Body Lotion. And it says this lightweight body lotion glides on effortlessly, soaking in fast to leave you feeling refreshed and super soft, packed with the healing and replenishing powers of glacial mineral water. Very cool. So we got a 1 ounce, I believe. Yeah, 1 ounce of that. There is one more product in here, and this is from Purelisse. And this is a Sheer Glow Strawberry Vitamin C Tinted Moisturizer in Tan Deep. And based on that color in that card right here, this is not my shade. So I will find, either I can use this for a bronzer, or I have some friends I can give it to. But if this was a custom for me, it would have had my choices and preferences. So this was a mystery bag. It's a mystery for a reason. I don't have curly hair. I need a lighter color tinted moisturizer. But still, even though it's not tailored for me, it's still a really great box for 12 bucks, or a really great bag for 12 bucks. So this was our mystery bag for IPSY for this time around. Who knows when we'll get another one. I'll get another one next time they're on sale, probably. We'll see. But for now, I want to thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, hit like, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.